Hi Bailey students, welcome to my library. Today I want to show you something really cool that we have here. It's a huge giant robot. We call it the Automated Storage and Retrieval System, and it's a robot we have in the building that enables us to store some stuff that isn't used a whole lot, but we still want to have on site and available to our students. There are only about 25 of these in all of the United States, so it's pretty rare. So we're going to go and see it. Hope you enjoy. All right, students, I have with me here Mrs. Simpson. She is one of our circulation managers, and she is going to show us our huge giant robot.
Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Simpson and I am a circulation manager. One of my jobs is to help all of our students check their books in and out just like you do at your library. But we also have this really wonderful machine. It has a bunch of boxes with books in it that our students can use if they can't find the book that they're looking for upstairs on the shelves like you have in your library.
Look how big that is. How many stories tall is that?
It is 2.5 stories. So we are currently on the second floor. It goes down to the first floor, and then we had to dig down additional half story so we could fit all of these books in here. And we can fit 300,000 books in there.
Whoa.
That's a lot of zeros.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, now that we've learned a little bit about the big robot, let's see it in action. First, we have to place a request. So I'm going to enter a search for National Geographic. And we have multiple volumes here available, so I'm just going to pick one of them. And you enter your name here. And I could be doing this from anywhere in the world. I'm actually in the library right now, but I could be in another country and this would still work. And it tells me that my request has gone through. So now let's see what happens. Now here is the book that we requested coming up where we can get at it. And you'll notice if I get up close here that each of these books have numbers on the top, and those are the last 5 digits of the barcode number. So the way that we can tell which book we need to get is there's this screen, and this is basically a picture of the big box, and where it's green, that tells us that our book is going to be in that little section, and we can see what the barcode number is there in yellow, and look at those last few digits, which are 385. So I can go over here and look for 385, and it is right there in the corner. Well, that's the Automated Storage and Retrieval System in a nutshell. I hope that someday you're able to come visit us on campus at Valpo and see it for yourself. Thanks, Bailey students.